this is my double mag holder for an AR-15 by Blade Tech. I kind of went blind in on this thing. I just saw some good reviews, and said whatever, might as well try it. But I ended up really liking it so far. I've been using it for about anywhere from 10 to 15 days now. I missed a couple days of practice, but it is what it is. I'm pretty busy. So I went in on this Blade Tech double mag holder for the Glock 41. And I'm about to just unbox it right now. And if it's anything like the AR mag holder, this should be pretty good. We got our, can't remember what that system is called. I like this system. I hear a lot of people say they don't like it because you can't just, take it off your belt intuitively, right? But it's actually pretty simple. It's just it just takes a second. No big deal. And so far, just feeling it in my hand, it feels like a good quality product. And I have no complaints yet. Let's see how the mag fits, because I guess that's most important. All right, so right out the box, I gotta say these mags, they fit pretty good. As you can see, there's gonna be no slipping. I'm really trying to fling those out of there. You just can't. It's very intentional. I'll have to get up my belt here. Those are just first impressions. Whew, yeah, that would really require a good yank, so can't complain there. It's not going to go anywhere. I'm filming one-handed, so yeah, I could see that going well, just straight up out. No, I have a better there, if that makes sense. Okay, so as you can see, I have it on my belt of this whole collage of fun things here. My double Glock mag holder. It is kind of, it's a little tight. Maybe I'll loosen that right now, actually. So I'll have them like this for now. I'm gonna play around with it off camera, but that feels like some fair retention. I mean, they're not gonna go anywhere unless you really give them a pull. It's just before they were almost yanking my belt off. Anyway, so this is where they're going to be for now. As you can see, I have some 45 ACP snap caps in them. And here we go. This is going to be my first overall attempts here with Glock 41 speed reloading. I'm just going to play around with it for a second here. Probably should. I mean, I knew it was empty, but it's always good to check. All right. I'm just trying to see. The main thing is the mag release. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. All right. Just enough to. A little bit choppy. I'm just gonna play around with it here. I have no clue what to expect. I mean, I've watched a few YouTube videos on reloading pistols and Glocks in particular. I'm just going to mainly focus on not racking the slide at first, and I'm going to give racking the slide a few tries. So here we go. You didn't see that? Gotta start somewhere. Okay, Got a round in the chamber. Huh. It's not bad. I mean, even that wasn't bad. It was sloppy. I missed the first go. I went completely like that and then recorrected. So far, no complaints on the actual mag holder, so that's nice. So I'm missing inward. I keep going like this. Hopefully that'll flush itself out with time. That one was not bad at all. Had to recorrect on that one. Recorrected pretty quick. Alright, now I'm going to start racking the slide. So. Don't want to lose that. See what we're looking at. Go ahead and just put it back in. Okay, so since this is cocked currently, it should be, yeah it is, I'm going to simulate as if I do have a mag, but I'm not going to actually drop a mag at the first time, and then I'm going to do 2 reloads, both racking the slide, so we'll see how it goes. Okay. See, those both were pretty alright. That one was pretty bad. I had to recorrect. I'll try it again from the rear holder. That wasn't a proper racking. If I don't reload it well, I'm just gonna ride the slide home so I'm not totally abusing my Glock every second I get. Ah, that was a range habit. Instead of letting the mags drop, I catch my mags. That was a range habit. All right. That was pretty good. That one was probably would have missed, to be honest. That second shot. That one looked pretty healthy. That one was a little on the iffy side. I feel like it still would have hit a piece of paper. I missed. Missed again. We'll see if I can't do one more right here. I'm just gonna call it that. Okay. That is irritating to just be able to do it like that all that time, and then now I just can't even do it all. It seems slightly annoying. All right. One more try for real, and then hopefully it's a good one so I can end the video. That wasn't terrible. So, first day, first moments with the new mag holder. Gotta say, I am liking it so far. And now it's just time I practice, day in, day out, and see what happens. So, I got a lot to practice. I got the revolver, the Glock, the AR, eventually the AK and the shotgun. I'm just waiting on the shotgun snap caps to arrive. That should be tomorrow, and I'll probably have them by the time whenever this video's up. So, it's all coming together. It's all coming along. Thank you for watching. It means a lot. Also, don't forget, idle hands is the devil's playground. Don't forget that. It's very good advice. Very good to know. And peace.